sewing machine practice on fabric. This unit familiarizes you with the handling of the machine and gets you acquainted with the speed adjustment and feed dog mechanism over fabric. This is a practical exercise that teaches the operator to feed the fabric through the feed dog without threading the machine and without needle in the sewing machine. A student will understand the feed dog movement and how to facilitate sewing by adjusting the fabric according to various operation and type of fabric. This helps in speed control as well. By the end of this unit, a student will be able to operate the machine, practice adjusting the speed of the machine, employ the feed dog mechanism over fabric. Machine exercise practice on fabric. Cut the 2-ply of fabric. The dimension of fabric 12 by 12 inches. This is the length of fabric and this is the width of the fabric. This width is 12 inches and this length is 12 inches. Mark the grain line first. Keep it in mind, grain line is always parallel to the selvage. Step second, pencil mark with the help of a scale like this. Each mark distance is a 1 inch. Next step, align the top ply on the second ply. Place it like this. This is our practice area. We will run our sewing machine without needle on this line. Complete the all exercise. Lift the pressure foot by knee pressure foot lifter. Place both ply under pressure foot. Be sure the line should be under needle bar. Release the tension of pressure foot and try to control, run your machine on line. Try to drive it slow as possible as you can. Your both hands should control your material. Don't try to pull material towards your side. Stop it. Lift your pressure foot by knee pressure foot lifter. Repeat the operation. This exercise you will be familiarized movement of the hand and feed dog pressure, feeding system, and control of the sewing machine. Stop it. Take it out and repeat the operation on other mark also. You have come to the end of this unit. To summarize, in this unit, you have been familiarized with the handling of the machine and been acquainted with the speed